Childcare is getting more expensive and less spots are available, leaving some parents scrambling. North Idaho's childcare industry is facing a set of challenges. That's according to a new report. Vanessa Perez joins us in studio with a look at the crisis and possible solutions.
Childcare providers are struggling to recruit and retain staff with little wiggle room to raise wages without passing costs down to parents. Finding childcare prior to the pandemic was hard. Those difficulties are now at another level. Preschool is such an important time in a child's life, but the lack of affordable and accessible childcare is making it hard on families.
And these parents count on us to provide quality care for their children. And right now I'm struggling to find staff that are qualified, who love children, who are willing to sacrifice and be here where they could work someplace else that maybe gives them more benefits and more pay.
Daycare workers say some families are two-income households already struggling to make ends meet. An increase in tuition would put a major burden on these families. Noah's Ark is booked out and people on the waiting list aren't moving up.
COEUR D'ALENE, we have so many families moving in that we need more. We're at capacity. We already have waiting lists for the following year because parents know that they can't get their child in. So more child care centers.
The United Way of North Idaho says the problem isn't new. Before the pandemic, child care was hard to come by, but some centers didn't make it through COVID and couldn't afford to open back up.
Current situation, there's even more of a challenge because one, it's more expensive, and two, there's less that are open and less seats available.
Tucker says the nonprofit's Early Learning Collaborative is helping tackle the crisis. It's able to directly train child care professionals.
We're trying to help them maintain quality employees as a provider, help with the professional development, help increase the quality of child care that's in the community.
The United Way provides child care scholarships. Depending on your income, you can receive $40 to hundreds of dollars to cover a portion of tuition. Live in studio, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.